Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how to make your Tinder photos not zoom in. So the first fix is to simply get used to the zoomed in picture. So unfortunately, since Tinder required images to be cropped to the appropriate sizes, you can expect that most of your photos will eventually wind up appearing zoomed in once upload zoomed in once uploaded to the application. So this may be frustrating, but as you use Tinder more, you will likely get used to it and notice it less. So you should also consider the zoom issues that Tinder pictures are subject to when taking photos for application. You can use this fact to help influence the way that you take your photos, which can help you mitigate the zoomed in nature of Tinder photos. So fix number two is to crop image to 4 by 5 in your camera roll before uploading. So one thing you can consider is pre-cropping the photo in your camera roll before uploading it to the Tinder application. So by doing this, you will not be as likely to notice the photo has been zoomed in substantially because it appears the same way it does in your camera roll. So while this not directly resolve your issue, this can help relieve some of the shock associated with noticing that your picture looks significantly different than what it originally did. So when you view your photo in the Tinder application after pre-copying it, it will look exactly the way it does in your camera roll. So you should be sure that your picture meets the proper cropping requirements before uploading to the Tinder application to help avoid any zoom issues that the Tinder will automatically apply to your picture when uploaded. Correct. Next is to zoom the picture out on a white background. Another thing you can consider doing to resolve your zoomed in photo issues on Tinder is simply zoom the photo out onto a white 4 by 5 resolution background. So this will allow your photo to meet the size and cropping specifications set by Tinder while also displaying the full size photo that you have uploaded from your camera roll. To do this, simply add your picture to a white background that you have pre-cropped to 4 by 5. Once you've done this, you will be able to upload your photo with the full size and resolution that it was originally taken. So this can help you keep your photos an accurate representation of the original photo, which is important for dating site where photos are vital to find a potential romantic interest on the application. And that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.